How to send voice message in Telegram. Now this is really simple, guys. So before moving on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future tutorial videos. Now let's get back into sending voice messages. First, what you need to do is open up your Telegram. Now after you've opened your Telegram, you will have your this initial page load up. Now what you need to do is just open this up and go to the text that you want to send a VM in, and then on the bottom right corner you will see a mic icon right there. Just click on that mic icon, allow the access, and then if you just keep on talking after you tap it, if you slide it up right there, it will lock it and or unlock it, and then if you slide it to the right, to the left, it will cancel it. So that is how you send the voice message on your Telegram, guys. Thanks for watching.